Well, this is the 6th day since the snowstorm that hit Pensacola, Florida, January 21st, 2025. Even though we've been receiving some warmer weather during the days, there was such a huge amount of snowfall, it's still lingering. You can see a little on my roof still. The remnants of some snowmen we built. This was such a huge amount of snow in an area that never received snow at all, that this snowfall is going to have an unknown impact on the environment for years, possibly decades to come. The snow hit the entire Florida region, and it's unheard of. We don't get snow out here. There might be a flurry, but no accumulative snow that sticks around for days like this has. So it's going to be interesting to follow and see what type of impact this has in the future on the environment around here. Well, we made it. I was able to take my wife to work today, and the roads are still a little bit of ice, but the roads are so poor around here. In the middle of the city, these roads are like mountain roads. There's no shoulders, no sidewalks, no room for air. You have big ditches on the side, ponds. It's just dangerous, even driving when there's no snow on the roads around here at all. But you add snow and it makes a whole new deal. But that's pretty much the end of it. That's how this snowstorm ended. Thanks for all the support I've been receiving on these videos. I really appreciate all the comments. And I hope everybody stays safe the rest of this winter. Take care. Enjoy the snow, Florida.